Now I have to add some new information here. Did you do this yesterday? Oh, you did. Okay, good. Then you already know. What is the distinguishing characteristic of the participle? Maim. Now, here's the deal. Is that maim part of the piel characteristic? Or part of the participle characteristic? What you don't know, and this is new information that may be confusing now but will make sense in 2 weeks, is that most of the conjugations actually form their participles with a maim. It's a cal that does not. So here learning cal first has almost been confusing. Most participles in the language are marked by a maim, which is why I'm putting the maim in red. Unfortunately, the actual text, the manuscripts aren't color-coded this way, but I've tried to show constants in all conjugations, like the perfect endings and the imperfect prefixes in red, things that are distinctively conjugational, like the dagesh forte of the piel in green. All right, at least right now that's what I did, which means that the maim is in red. That makes it a participle. What makes it a piel participle? Well, dagesh forte in the middle root letter, above all things, and here's the second characteristic. You also get the schwa under the prefix. That is to say that the participle takes the same basic vowel pointing as the imperfect, which is that schwa and then the a vowel, e vowel pattern, mikateo. There's your participle. If you got one participle, then you automatically have 4 of them, because if this is masculine singular, it can go plural. How does it go plural? Well, I guess we could put the eam in red, right? Oh man, this is way too complicated. Now we got to do this. Ka, tal, put the m in red, put the dagesh. Got it? Mika, talim. Well, you know what's going on here, all right? If you look in the box on page 163, you'll see all 4 forms of the participle right there. What happens with a verb, and I'm using the example. Actually, what I'm going to do now is in the textbook on page 164, section 3,